Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to add TikTok video to favorites. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. First of all, simply open your TikTok. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So these are the TikTok videos. First at the screen you have the option of heart, that is of like option, and then at the second option there is a comment option, and at the third option there is a favorite option. You will simply tap on that option, the third option at the screen in the middle. So this video is added to favorite. If you want to check the favorites videos, you will go to your profile, and at the third option there is a favorite option. You will simply tap on it. So these are the videos which we have favorited, so which we have favorite. If you want to unfavorite it, you will simply tap on it, and this video will be vanished from here. So this is the process of favorite, adding the favorite video in the favorite folder. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.